In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change main language on Wix. To get started, log into your Wix account and open the main dashboard for the site you want to update. This is the control area where you manage your website settings, so make sure you are inside the correct site before making any changes. Taking a moment to confirm this can help you avoid updating the wrong website, especially if you manage more than one Wix project. Once you are on the site dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar menu. This is where Wix groups together most of your site management options. Scroll down through that menu until you find Settings. When you hover over Settings, more options will appear. From there, click on Language and Region. This section controls the primary language settings for your website, along with other location-related preferences. After the Language and Region page opens, find the Site Language drop-down menu. This is the setting that determines your website's main language. Click on the drop-down box to open the available language options, then choose the new main language you want to use. Be sure to select the correct option carefully, since this setting affects how your site is configured and presented. If your website includes content in multiple languages, changing the main language may impact how your default language is displayed across the site. Because of that, it is a good idea to review your selection before saving. This helps ensure everything stays aligned with the audience you want to reach. When you have selected your preferred language, go to the top right corner of the page and click Save. This confirms the change and updates your site language setting in Wix. If you do not click Save, the new language will not be applied, so this final step is important. After saving, you can continue reviewing your site settings or return to your dashboard. It is also a smart idea to check your site afterward to make sure everything looks the way you expect. That covers everything you need to know.